How was your day? It was great. How was your day? It was great. How was the party? It was fine. How was the party? It was fine. What do you want? I want a laptop. What do you want? I want a laptop. Who are they? They are a relative. Who are they? They are a relative. Who is that fellow? He is my friend. Who is that fellow? He is my friend. Is everything okay? Yes, it is. Is everything okay? Yes, it is. What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you do? I work in the hospital. What do you do? I work in the hospital. Are you tired? No, I am not. Are you tired? No, I am not. Are you going? Yes, I am going. Are you going? Yes, I am going. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is she? She is my mother. Who are you? I am a doctor. Who are you? I am a doctor. How is everything? Everything is well. How is everything? Everything is well. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. How far is your home? It's nearby. How far is your home? It's nearby. Did you pass? Yes, I passed. Did you pass? Yes, I passed. Do you love pets? Yes, I like pets. Do you love pets? Yes, I like pets. Do you know me? No, I don't. Do you know me? No, I don't. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What are you doing? I am cooking food. What are you doing? I am cooking food. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What did you buy? I bought a cake. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Who are they? They are my parents. Who are they? They are my parents. Who are you? I am a student. Who are you? I am a student. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How are you? I am good. How are you? I am good. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Why are you sad? Because I am upset. Why are you sad? Because I am upset. Why are you crying? I lost my mobile. Why are you crying? I lost my mobile. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at home. What is going on? I am watching TV. What is going on? I am watching TV. What do you want? I want your book. What do you want? I want your book. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy.